Today we're going to work on the OW. It's really interesting in our language because certain letters together can even make different sounds. So on this side, we have OW that makes the ow sound. See my Band-Aid? It reminds me to say ow. Sometimes I pinch just a little to help me remember that ow sound. On this side, the OW says O, like a long O. So it gets a little bit tricky, but sometimes it's funny if you try the other sound and see if it makes sense or not. So here we go. Ow. Ow. Let's see what that one sounds like. Oh. You know what? If I were to put this silent K, then that would be like I know something. Crazy, huh? Ow. Cow. Ow. Wow. Do you remember in class when you used to go W-O-W, wow? Kind of a fun thing to do. Ow. Bow. Okay, there's the ow words. Let's say them again. How, now, cow, wow, bow. On this side, we're going to say oh when we see ow. So I'm not going to pinch myself and say ow. I'm just going to go oh, like Dr. O. Here we go. O, low, slow, sh, o, show, O, row, O, blow. Let's try it with the ow sound and see if it makes sense. Ow. Do you know the word low? I don't. Ow, slough. Sh, ow, chow. Ow, row. Ow, blow. Doesn't work. So when you try ow and it doesn't work, remember you can do the O. So let's say these words. Low, slow, show, row, blow. Don't forget, the OW can say ow or O.